If you're getting the can't open MS Gaming overlay error on Windows 11, here's a simple way to fix it by editing the registry. Just be careful. Changing the registry can mess things up if you don't follow the steps exactly. First, open the registry editor. Press start and type registry editor. Then open the app. If you see a prompt asking for permission, click yes. Next, navigate to this path, HKEY underscore, current user, /software, /Microsoft, /Windows, /current version, /GameDVR. Once you're there, look for something called App Capture enabled on the right side. If you see it, double click it and change its value to 0. Then click OK. This basically turns off the game bar feature that's causing the problem. If you don't see App Capture enabled, right click on the empty space on the right, choose new DWU or 32-bit value, name it App Capture enabled and set the value to 0. After that, close the registry editor. You usually don't need to restart, but if the error keeps showing, reboot your PC just to be safe. You can also check the Xbox Game Bar settings in Windows Settings and make sure background recording is disabled. Additionally, check for any updates for Windows or the Xbox Game Bar app itself, since sometimes outdated software can trigger overlay errors. Following these steps carefully should completely fix the overlay message and stop it from interrupting your games or other applications, giving you a smoother experience overall.